Hello everybody. Today I have a short but very useful DIY video for you. We're going to make a dummy VGA adapter, a small trick that helps some motherboards boot without having a real monitor connected. Why do I even need this? Well, one of my old computers simply refuses to start unless it detects a display. And I want to repurpose this machine as a home assistant server. My previous server was running on a low-power 32-bit CPU, and the latest versions of Home Assistant no longer support it. So, this old PC must live again. The main goal of this dummy VGA dongle is simple. Pretend that a monitor is plugged in, so the motherboard thinks everything is okay and enables the GPU. Just to be clear, this is not a real monitor emulator. It won't show an image, it won't fully simulate a DID. It just convinces the system that a display is present, which is enough for booting. So, to build this little device, you only need 3 resistors, usually 120 ohms each, connected to specific VGA pins. That's it. I didn't have 120 ohm resistors at home, but I found a few 57 ohm ones. By connecting them in series, I got around 114 ohms, which is perfectly fine. The tolerance is about plus or minus 5%, so it works without any issues. Next challenge, I didn't want to solder the resistors directly inside a VGA connector, and I also didn't have a spare VGA cable or plug lying around. So I used some pins from my Arduino DIY parts box. I soldered the resistors to small wire pieces and to the pins, basically creating 3 extended leg resistors. Then I put all 3 resistors together inside one heat shrink tube to make everything neat and compact. The adapter I ended up with has 6 pins. Every pair of connectors has the same wire color, so you don't mix them up. All that's left is to connect the pins to the VGA port according to the standard dummy load scheme, plug it in, and press the power button. Moment of truth. And yes, the computer starts, the operating system loads, and now I can ping it and fully use it as a server, all without any real monitor attached. So that's it for today. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.